Question 8 of this exercise says a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall and the length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is 20 rupees per square meter. So basically in this question we have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall, and as the wall is in rectangular shape we can easily find the area of the wall. And as a door is fitted in a wall, so we won't whitewash the door, so we will find the area of the door and we will subtract it from the area of the wall. So let's start doing this question. So basically we have to find the area in the red. So let's start finding the area of the wall. As it is in rectangular shape, so it's basically L into B. As the length is given, that is 4.5 meter, and breadth is given, that is 3.6 meter. So we can easily find the area of the wall. So we will get 16.2 square meter. Now let's find the area of the door. That is also L into B, as it is in rectangular shape. So it is 2 meter into 1 meter. That is basically 2 square meter. So that will be the area of the door. Now to find the area to be whitewashed, it's basically area of wall minus area of door. So area of wall we have got it as 16.2 square meter and area of door we have got it as 2 square meter. So after subtracting we will get 14.2 square meter. So that is the area we need to whitewash. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. As the rate of the whitewashing is given, that is rupees 20 per square meter. So the area is 14.2 square meter. We just need to multiply 20 with 14.2. So when we will multiply, we will get 284. So that is the cost of whitewashing the wall.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.